Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the West Fargo City Commission Special Assessment Meeting, Monday, September 15th, 2025. Madam Secretary, would you please call the roll?
Commissioner Jorgensen.
Present.
Commissioner Zundell. Here. Commissioner Jardis.
Here.
Commissioner Olson.
Here.
Commissioner Anderson.
Here. Would you please join the commission in the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. First order of business is to approve the order of the agenda. It has been distributed and in front of you, Commissioners.
Move to approve.
Commissioner Anderson moves to approve. Is there a second?
Second.
Commissioner Jorgensen seconds. I have a motion and a second to approve the order of the agenda as presented. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. We're now going into the regular agenda. Before we begin the regular agenda, I'm going to call on Katie Schmidt, City Attorney for the City of West Fargo, to give an overview of the process this evening. Ms. Schmidt?
Thank you, Commission President and Commissioners. Tonight is the hearing on appeals of the decision of the Special Assessment Commission regarding special assessments to be levied in improvement districts 1337, 1339, 2270, and 2271. Following the confirmation of the assessment list by the Special Assessment Commission, under North Dakota Century Code Section 402314, any person who feels aggrieved by the decision of the Special Assessment Commission may file a written appeal with the city auditor. That appeal allows the person to appear before the City Commission and present reasons why the action of the Special Assessment Commission should not be confirmed. The filing of an appeal authorizes the person to appear before the City Commission and make a presentation, but a presentation is not required for the City Commission to consider the appeal. Just like the Special Assessment Commission, we take all appeals seriously, but this is not a courtroom hearing, so the rules of evidence do not apply. Appellants are allowed to provide whatever information or evidence they would like, including written statements. To date, the city administrator has received 4 written notices of appeal pursuant to North Dakota Century Code Section 402314 for Improvement District 1337. These include notices from Allison Tam and Ryan Kowalski, Amira Turnanovic, Jason and Supatra Lang, and Marlon Arlene. The city has not received any written notices of appeal for Improvement Districts 1339, 2270, or 2271. A couple of housekeeping items before we start. Again, tonight is a hearing to hear any appeals on the Special Assessment Commission's decision and the opportunity for the City Commission to confirm assessment lists if they do not believe additional information must be reviewed prior to a decision being made. The Century provides that someone must have filed a written appeal to appear before you tonight, but it is within your discretion if you would like to hear from someone who did not file a written appeal. If you do not confirm an assessment list tonight, I recommend that once a hearing is closed, you do not take any additional testimony or hearing because that would be unfair to the people who have shown up tonight and properly filed their written appeals. For tonight's hearing, I encourage you to ask any questions that you have of the appellants and of city staff to make sure that you feel comfortable that you've received all of the information prior to confirming an assessment list. When you open the district for a hearing, I would suggest asking whether anyone would like to speak about the district, have that person identify the property on which they would like to speak or the person they are representing, identify whether they have filed a written appeal, and then let them proceed and then ask any questions you feel appropriate to make your decision. If someone is not satisfied with the decision, they do have the right to appeal to district court. There is a procedure set forth in North Dakota law for that. I am here to assist and am available for any questions before we start.
Thank you, Ms. Schmidt. That being said, we go back to the regular agenda. We are on item number 1. That is Improvement District number 1337, a new water supply, sewage, and street systems and incidentals, the Wilds 21st edition. We're going to call on our city engineer, Mr. Jerry Wallace. This will have a public hearing, and the purpose of the discussion is to confirm and approve the special assessment list. Mr. Wallace, good evening and welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Commission President and Commissioners. We're here tonight to discuss 4 districts, District 1337 here in particular first. we've essentially constructed these infrastructure projects, and, we're setting up the mechanism to pay for the bonding, reimbursement that was utilized for the construction. The first project here, Improvement District Number 1337, was, I'm sure everybody's probably well aware, but it was one of the last residential subdivisions to the south of 52nd, abutting Horace. Essentially, water, sewer, streets, storm networks, essentially completed for the neighborhood. Tonight, I'm here before you to see if there's any questions I can assist with, and ask and recommend that we confirm and approve the special assessment list. In your packet here, I have 4 attachments, the special assessment list, and the notice of hearing of objections, the affidavit of publication, the sample letter that property owners were sent, and I have to caveat on that item that we had some technical difficulties when we sent out mailings for that one, so there had to be a second round of letters that went out to ensure the property owners were notified. And then finally, in your packet, the assessment allocation map. With that, I will, again, just say that we're here hopefully to confirm and approve the special assessment list, and I'll be available to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wallace. In the notification, it says "and incidentals." Could you clarify "and incidentals," please?
Sure. Great question. Traditionally, incidentals might be, if they're not listed specifically on the plan set, they could include things like, multi-use path systems, streetlights,
Streetlights?
potentially.
Okay.
It's usually a term to cover the less minor components of the water, sewer, street.
Very good. Commissioners, any questions for Mr. Wallace? All right, thank you. At this time, we are in the public hearing. Is there anyone that would like to speak against their assessment on 1337? Is there anyone that would like to speak on their assessment for 1337? Please state your name and address.
My name,
Good evening and welcome.
hey, good evening and welcome. How are you?
Just fine.
Can everybody hear me? Here we go.
Very well.
I'm going to be reading just a few bullet points so I don't perjure myself. My name is Marlon Russell Lean. I'm a pre-March 9th, 1933 private citizen of the United States with civilian due process afforded to me by the Constitution for the United States of America, as indicated in the publicly recorded Addendum F. I am here on special appearance to ask only one question regarding the conditional acceptance for 5446 Lori Lane West, to which I verbally delivered to the committee, on 7/29/2025, as well as sent registered mail to Bernie Dardis and the mayor on 7/30/2025. Just one question. Does the city of West Fargo have any questions or wish to seek any further clarification from me regarding the matter of the proposed assessment to 5446 Lori Lane West and the private business trust's conditional acceptance?
Anyone? Any questions? No, sir.
If not, thank you so much for your time, and I yield back the remainder of my time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Is there anyone else that would like to speak on Improvement District 1337 against the assessments? Is there anyone else that would like to speak on Improvement District number 1337? Is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of the assessments of 1337? Anyone that would like to speak in favor on your assessments? All right. Is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of 1337? Okay, hearing none. Public hearing is closed. Commissioners?
Move we confirm and approve the special assessment list for Improvement District 1337.
I have a motion to approve. Mr. Wallace, do you have anything for us before we move forward with that?
No, sir.
Okay. I have a motion to confirm and approve the special assessment list for 1337.
Second.
I have a second. I have a motion and a second to confirm and approve the special assessment list of 1337. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Thank you. Moving on, we are now in regular agenda item number 2, the Improvement District of number 1339, the Stockyards, First Edition, new water supply, sewage, and incidental. Jerry Wallace, again, the city engineer, will be presenting. The purpose of this is to confirm and approve the special assessment list of 1339. Mr. Wallace.
Thank you, Mr. Commission President. Commissioners, again, here before you to present Improvement District number 1339. For those that may not be aware, that was essentially a water and sewer project up in the old Stockyards area. Again, we're here tonight, hopefully to confirm and approve the special assessment list. The same items are available for viewing in your packet, the special assessment list and notice of hearing of objections, the affidavit of publication, the sample letter to property owners, and the assessment allocation map. Again, the staff recommendation is to confirm and approve the special assessment list. And as always, I'm available for any questions you may have.
Commissioner Jorgensen.
What's the horseshoe area to the north? Why were they left out?
That's the Malls subdivision, and they did not receive any water, sewer, no benefit from the project, Commissioner.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.
Any additional questions from Mr. Wallace? Okay. Now, to the direction of our legal counsel, we have not received any written protests with regard to 1339. Is that correct?
I have not seen any, but I would defer to see if Dustin has received anything additional.
Staff, anything for 1339?
Good evening. Thank you. No, we have not received any written appeals on 1339.
I'm going to still go out of the regular agenda, go to a public hearing in case that if somebody has not filed the paperwork or the appeal letter out of respect for the taxpayers, I'm going to allow it. So is anyone here that'd like to speak against the special assessment list for 1339? Is there anyone that would like to speak against the special assessment list for 1339? Is there anyone that would like to speak against the assessment list of 1339? Hearing none, is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of the assessment list of 1339? Anyone in favor of 1339? Anyone in favor of 1339? The public hearing is now closed. Commissioners?
I move we confirm and approve the special assessment list for Improvement District number 1339.
Commissioner Zundell moves to approve. Is there a second?
Second.
Commissioner Anderson seconds. We have a motion and a second to confirm and approve the special assessment list for Improvement District number 1339 as presented. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. We move on to item number 3 in the regular agenda. This is regarding Improvement District number 2270, a traffic signal at 9th Street West and 32nd Avenue West. Again, we call on Mr. Jerry Wallace, City Engineer for the City of West Fargo.
Thank you, Mr. Commission President. Once again, we're here in front of you tonight to discuss Improvement District 2270. Essentially, this was a traffic signal, and there were some minor intersection improvements. to allow the unprotected left turns at that area that have become very popular in recent years. The action we're looking for tonight is to confirm and approve the special assessment list. Again, we have the same items in your packet here, the special assessment list and notice of hearing of objections, the affidavit of publication, the letter to property owners that was distributed, and the assessment allocation map. Again, the staff recommendation for tonight is to confirm the assessment list and file with the city auditor. And with that, I'm available for any questions you may have.
Thank you, Mr. Wallace. Any questions from the commissioners? Seeing none, we move into the public hearing. We close the regular agenda. We move into the public hearing portion of Improvement District Number 2270. It is my understanding that we have had no written protests on 2270. That being said, I'm still going to allow any comments that the public might have on 2270. Is there anybody that would like to speak against the special assessment list for 2270? Is there anyone that would like to speak against the special assessment list of 2270? Is there anyone that would like to speak on the special assessment list of 2270? Is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of the assessment list of 2270? Is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of assessment list 2270? Is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of the special assessment list for 2270? Hearing none, the public hearing is closed. Commissioners?
I move we approve improvement district, or confirm and approve the special assessment list for improvement district number 2270.
Commissioner Zundell moves to approve the special assessment list for 2270. Is there a second?
Second.
Commissioner Olson seconds. We have a motion and a second to approve the special assessment list of number 2270. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed?
Nay.
Motion carried. Please note that it was a 4-to-1 vote. We now move on to item number 4 in our regular agenda, which is Improvement District Number 2271, which is concrete paving, street lighting, storm sewer, and incidentals at 7th Avenue Northwest and 5th Street Court Northwest. Again, we call on Jerry Wallace, city engineer for the city of West Fargo.
Thank you, Mr. Commission President and Commissioners. Here before you on this item, Improvement District 2271. This was essentially a roadway urbanization project to the southern portion of the Stockyards area. Initially, it was a gravel road with the interest in the development potentially for the Stockyards area. It seemed prudent to take action to urbanize that road. With that being said, I'm here before you tonight to ask that you confirm and approve the special assessment list. I have the same items in your packet again here, the special assessment list and notice of hearing of objections, the affidavit of publication, the sample letter to property owners in the area, and the assessment allocation map. Again, the staff recommendation that we're looking for action on your part tonight would be to confirm the assessment list and file with the city auditor. And with that, I'm available for any questions.
Thank you, Mr. Wallace. Commissioners, any questions? Please, Commissioner Jorgensen.
So I just have one question on that Fifth Street Court Northwest. I live on Fifth Street Court Northwest, north of there,
Really?
up in Goldenwood.
Oh,
But it changes, but it's still listed as Fifth Street Court Northwest on my taxes.
oh, sure. Huh. Yeah, that's, I guess, an oddity that I wasn't certainly aware of.
Yeah, because originally it was supposed to be designed like this, and then when the last developer bought it, then it just became Fifth Street.
Huh,
So I just want to make, there's not two Fifth Street courts.
sure. I guess I'm not entirely
If I wouldn't have been here, you
sure.
would have never known.
Right?
Any additional questions for Mr. Wallace? Thank you for that point, Commissioner Jorgensen. All right. With that, we close out of the regular agenda. We move into the public hearing. We're on the public hearing of Improvement District Number 2271. regarding special assessments. It again is my understanding that we have no written on 2271, is that correct? All right. That being said, we're still going to open it up to the public hearing. Is there anyone that would like to speak against the special assessment list for 2271? Is there anyone that would speak against special assessment list of 2271? Is there anyone that would like to speak against District Number 2271, the special assessment list? Is there anyone that would like to speak in favor of the assessments of 2271? Anyone that would like to speak in favor of 2271? Anyone that would like to speak in favor of 2271? Hearing none, the public hearing is closed. Commissioners?
Move to confirm and approve the special assessment list for Improvement District 2271.
Commissioner Olson moves to confirm and approve the special assessment list of District Number 2271. Is there a second?
Second.
Commissioner Jorgensen seconds. I have a motion and a second. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Does any commissioner have anything that you'd like to bring forward at this time? Mr. Scott, anything from our,
Nope, I have nothing. Thank you.
Okay. Commissioner Olson,
Move to adjourn.
Commissioner Jorgensen?
Second.
We have adjourned. Thank you all.